Abah to PPUM this morning.
Morning.
Abah ada appointment to take his blood sample. So looks like a nice day for a drive, and Mami pun dah lama tak drive, so I'm quite enjoying this actually. We are just cruising along highway apa ni? Oh, Katri Corridor Highway. Okay, see you later. Bye. Mami just drop Abah dekat Menara Timur sebab ambil darah tu memang dekat Menara Timur. And now I'm in the car under a tree here near the staff parking. I don't want to go up the building and park because Abah shouldn't be that long. So memang inilah spot Mami selalu tunggu Abah kalau Abah ambil darah ke ataupun nak ambil insulin ke. I'm having my breakfast. Jom makan. We finish our errand. So now kami singgah kat Wan Utama. Dah alang-alang kan. Kosong tak ada orang. I pity all the peniaga. We are entering the Chinese New Year decoration in Wan Yu. Since we are out already, we might as well make the most of it. It's so beautiful. And no one around. Oh, what a pity. We're going for a walkabout under the sakura tree. Oh, it's so special, so pretty, so beautiful. Abah is having a good time. Almost 2 weeks Abah tak keluar rumah pun. Oh, look. This is so nice. And make sure you sanitize your hand, Abah, after this. Oh my goodness, we are going inside the house. If non-COVID time, I don't think we'll be able to do this, especially on weekends. Oh. Wah. Walawe. Lengo.
Ya, bobe.
Leng.
Diba bobe, diba obe.
So leng. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at all the princesses. Look at all the tanglong. Isn't this pretty? We are here at IT1 Superstore because Mommy needs a laptop for my office. I heard they don't have in stock the particular one that Mommy wants. Ayah. Okay, that's it. That's the end of our outing today. So we finish all our tasks. Everything is done, and then apparently no more laptop stock in the whole of Wan Utama.
Not within our budget lah.
Not within our budget. The one that available all 4K and above. We were looking for 3K below. So apparently during PKP, everybody went out borong laptop because they scared PKP will extend and extend and extend like last time, I suppose. No fun going out during PKP. Well, we shouldn't go out anyway. No place to sit for a while, no place to have a drink. It was so tiring going from shop to shop. That's it from Abah and Mommy. Take care everybody. Stay home, stay safe. Lots of love and sunshine. Bye.